Hello, my name is Jeremy Muniz, and this is the Assure model as it's applied to the copyright assignment. So to begin, for A, we will analyze learner characteristics. So when you are preparing this assignment, we already know that the students are digital citizens. They are familiar with using the internet, but we want to take into account that some of these students might have IEPs. So we need to study those and prepare some accommodations or differentiation for them. This could include preparing a copy of the presentation beforehand or printing out some of the lesson vocabulary and going over with some of these students individually. I also think that the way I envision this lesson, it could be in a Nearpod, and that's something that could be done asynchronously, or as a class presentation. So the objective, stating the objective, students will be able to identify and demonstrate their knowledge of copyright rules. Now, for selecting the materials, my campus has one-to-one with Chromebooks. I know most campuses do. So I think students or a Chromebook cart in the library, students will access the materials in a Nearpod lesson. And that'll offer some of the activities that I've included in the learning rubric. So for materials, the Nearpod has many features. We can do polls, we can add video, do a little pre-teach, multiple choice questions, and short answer questions, or just quiz that you can add towards the end. So requiring learner responses. Students will be required to respond to multiple choice and short answer questions to check for understanding and mastery of the learning objective and when it comes to the copyright rules. And then the student learning rubric is hopefully something that I think lends itself to the Nearpod. So here is the success criteria, and here are the skills that we're looking at. I've assigned some point values on the left side. The skills to study, the short answer responses, the multiple choice response. There would be a matching game for the copyright rules, some lesson vocabulary with fill in the blank. And then thinking about use of language and conventions if we're answering incomplete sentences, if we're using lesson vocabulary in our short answer, and making sure that there's an understanding of the writing task and using the copyright rules to display that we are showing mastery for the Nearpod activity and the copyright lesson. And that is my presentation on the Assure model. Thank you very much.